English personal pronouns. In linguistics and grammar, a pronoun is a word or a group of words that one may substitute for a noun or noun phrase. Personal pronouns. Personal subject pronouns. The subject nouns who perform the action are replaced with these pronouns. I am a man. You are a child. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is an animal. We are men. You are women. They are humans. Personal pronouns. Personal object pronouns. The object nouns who receive the action of the subject are replaced with these pronouns. Me. She loves me. You. I love you. Him. They love him. Her. We love her. It. I love it. Us. They love us. You. We love you. Them. She loves them. Personal pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns describe which things belong to which people. They are mine. This pencil is mine. These books are mine. Yours. That bike is yours. Those are yours. His. The ball is his. The balls are his. Hers. The toy is hers. The toys are hers. Ours. The house is ours. The houses are ours. Yours. The apple is yours. The apples are yours. Theirs. The car is theirs. The cars are theirs. Personal pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are words ending in self or selves. They are used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. They can act as either objects or indirect objects. Myself. I will get myself a coffee. Yourself. You should take care of yourself. Himself. My son did his homework himself. Herself. She does not think of anyone other than herself. Itself. The dog cannot walk itself. Ourselves. We will get ourselves a coffee. Yourselves. You should take care of yourselves. Themselves. Our kids did their homework themselves. Personal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns. A reciprocal pronoun is a pronoun which is used to indicate that two or more people are carrying out or have carried out an action of some type, with both receiving the benefits or consequences of that action simultaneously. There are two reciprocal pronouns. Each other. Examples: Mary and John kissed each other at the end of the ceremony. Terry and Jack were talking to each other in the hallway. We give each other gifts during the holidays. One another. Examples: the students congratulated one another after giving practice speeches. The kids spent the afternoon kicking the ball to one another. The defendants blamed one another for the crime they were charged with.